How to fix your WEBTOON account. So hey guys, in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to fix your WEBTOON account. To fix your WEBTOON account, all we need to do right now is open up your WEBTOON right here. So I'll giving you three ways. Today I'll be tackling three ways. First way of doing this is by going to settings, then clicking on app management. After pressing on the app management right there, and just click on clear data or clear cache once you press on storage. There you go. Second way of doing it is by just downloading it and re-downloading the app itself. All you need to do is delete the app. After deleting the app, click on download, and then there you go. You are now downloaded. Oh, and here is the third way of fixing your WEBTOON. So right now, all we need to do is open up our WEBTOON. Click on the bottom right corner, so it's like a kid who draws it. Press on this right there. After pressing on that right there, next thing we need to do right now is on the top right corner, you will see like three dots. Press on the three dots right there. After pressing on the three dots right there, you will see settings. Press on the settings icon. I meant the settings right there, not the icon, it's not the settings icon. Now all we need to do is click on right here, just go down till you see clear cache. All you need to do is press on clear cache. And then there you go. You'll be able to what do you call this? Be able to use your WEBTOON nice and steady again by just clicking on clear cache. There you guys, hope you guys enjoyed. If you have a question, you can search that with the question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here on how to rock it, guys. And thank you, guys.